In construction, strength, safety, and efficiency matter. And when securing wood frame and CMU structures against wind and seismic forces, nothing does it better than QuickTie. QuickTie Products manufactures the QuickTie system, a proprietary, high-performance, code-approved cable hold-down system designed to withstand extreme forces. Unlike other systems, QuickTie uses pre-stressed wire rope cables to anchor structures from the uppermost top plate to the foundation, resisting uplift, shear, and overturning forces. Traditional hold-down and strapping systems require multiple components, time-consuming installations, and extensive nailing. Threaded rods require a take-up device to accommodate shrinkage, adding to the cost of the system. They are heavy and difficult to install and must be built from the foundation up, requiring many parts and pieces. QuickTie eliminates the hassle of both, making installations faster, simpler, and more reliable. With fewer components, QuickTie reduces labor costs, speeds up inspections, and even compensates for wood shrinkage, helping prevent drywall cracks and nail pops over time. QuickTie also offers a complete range of framing hardware for any conceivable connection in a wood frame structure, engineered to the highest standards, ensuring stronger, safer builds. Our engineering simplifies the load path, reducing unnecessary materials while maximizing performance. The result? Faster builds, lower costs, and superior strength. It's the smart choice for builders, engineers, and framers who want a cost-effective, high-performance tie-down system. Stronger, faster, smarter. QuickTie, the better way to build. Learn more at QuickTieProducts.com.